Hey gang, it is Thursday, February 15th, and I hope you all had a nice Valentine's Day. But I wanted to show you something today that I think is a fairly easy fix. As you've seen this video, or you've seen an overview on my Ford Focus, it's just a beater car, just something I've been driving back and forth to work to save miles on my Suburban. But one of the problems I've had with this car is the dimmer switch, and the turn signals work, the low beams work, but it will not stay on high beam. So there's something broken within the switch. So I ordered from Rock Auto a new combination dimmer switch, multi-function switch, and here you can see that's the part number, and this is for a 2000 model Ford Focus. Now, open this box up, and I should say that this part only cost, like, I think it was $17 or in that range, less than $20 for this part. There was two different ones. There was a Dorman and there was some other brand, and I believe this obviously is has Dorman on it, which is pretty common to any parts store, but it's cheaper at Rock Auto. And here's the switch taken out of the box. Very simple. As you can see, it has the the indicators on it for the turn signal and then the headlight part of it. There's only one connector right there, and it appears that it just slips into the steering column. If you look, there's a little tab right there that you can push back, and normally that implies that's a release that allows something to be removed. So I'm going to open up the steering column and replace this switch. And hopefully I can get enough imagery on this so you can see what I'm talking about. But it appears there's a little separation tab right here on this top cover, and this thing looks like it may have been taken loose at some point. So it'd probably just take a little bit of effort to pull it up. It does have a rubber gasket towards the front, so it doesn't want to pull out, but that's okay. By looking at the switch, and like I said, with that little release that I pointed out earlier on this piece, I should be able to, it's right here, if you can see where I'm pointing, hit that release, wiggle the switch a little bit, and the whole thing comes up and out. So now, again, it's kind of hard to see, but this is the plug-in down here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it appears to be a relief, relief type of switch or push. So let me push on that, see if I can unplug it. Oop, I had it. There it goes. So there it is. Just that quick. That switches out. And I'll compare the plugs. There's the same number of pins inside on both those plugs, so it looks identical. So I'm confident this will work. Now I'll just grab that plug again, and that little relief was right here on where my thumb is pushing. Sorry, I'm looking at the camera backwards, but there's a little relief tab. So now it's just a matter of resetting that pin, or that clip. Snap it in. Hopefully I can see without getting my head in the way of the camera. And then lining up, there's a slot up here on the top, which on the old switch is right here. It has this little kind of a slide, and then this hook that catches in the track on the rest of the main column assembly. So I'll slide that down, and there it is. And then reset your cover. And that's it. That's an easy fix. Anybody can do that. I hope that was helpful. Probably one of the easier repairs that I've done, And literally in less than 5 minutes you can take care of this switch by yourself, and no special tools required. Hope you learned something from that, and thanks for watching.